Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding down your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can show toolbar after capturing. You can delete after sharing from toolbar. You can hide status and navigation bars. I believe it's pretty cool. Makes your recording more aesthetic. You can select format. Okay, it's settings for screenshots. Excuse me. Here are the settings for screen recorder, so we can change sound source. We can enable media or media and microphone. We can change video quality. We can change selfie video size, and we can show taps and touches. So to start recording, we tap on this button once. Start recording, and after the countdown, recording is on. So let's record some of our screen. We can kinda like draw here, make some notes or something. We can enable this front camera view here. Here you can pause the recording, then you can play it again, and after you're done recording, just tap on this square icon and recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special screen recordings album. And here it is. From here you can favorite it, you can edit, you can share it, you can delete this recording and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.